It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. We've got Anonymous on the line. Let's get straight into it. Good morning, Anonymous. Hi, Anonymous. Hello? Oh, no. We've lost Anonymous. They ran away. Anonymous ran away.
There's more where that came from. But Anonymous out there.
True.
Yeah.
Very true. Okay, while Given tries to get a hold of Anonymous, or you listening right now saying, okay, this is my chance, give us a call, 086,000 2160. How are you guys doing?
We're good.
Great.
We're good. You know,
We haven't heard stories from you
I
in a very long time.
Aziko. Yo, from now on, Nyatu.
Why? So easy, why?
No, Woo, guys. Hi, Gubigo Ref. Hi, Gubigo Ref. Yo, good Ref, you need a Emalia Ref. Yeah, and I'm going to punish you because I'm going to tell you stories off air so that you know with the stories, but I won't tell.
No, never do that.
Please
to us,
don't do that, so easy. We family here, including the person listening. Please.
How did the last story end? Do we even remember the last story? Do you remember it?
Yes.
What was it?
It was naked.
Or wasn't it about the married person, and then you also mentioned, what if one day somebody anonymous has been involved with a
was it that story?
or I don't know.
Or me, or you,
you.
Kuzo, maybe a lover from way back.
My
These
biggest
things
fear.
can happen.
Yeah, no, you're right.
You know?
My biggest fear, naked.
Like imagine, Kuzo, I haven't moved on since we broke up.
My biggest
And
fear.
I've been watching your life unfold.
Anyway, I wanted to ask a question. Do you? So 2 days ago, I was on a call with Lulu.
Ananza.
Morning.
Saved by the bear.
Yeah. We're coming back to you tomorrow, so miss.
How are you, Anonymous?
I'm surviving, thank you. How are you?
We are surviving right by your side as well. Anonymous, thank you so much for calling in. I'm going to read the house rules quickly so we can get into why you're calling Ask a Man. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Maintain respectful language. Refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people, the person you'll be speaking about. Do you agree, Anonymous?
Yes, I do.
All right, we're listening. What's going on?
Firstly, morning team, morning Samsung.
Morning, darling.
Morning.
Morning, the naked DJ
Good
and
morning.
Kut.
Hey.
I need an advice. Have been in a relationship for 5 years and abruptly got dumped last year, December. And then now the challenge is I can't get over the guy. And we're still doing some business on the side. Not the business as in relationship,
Oh.
but yeah. How do I move on? How do I get over him?
How old are you now, Nee?
48 years, 6 months.
In 3 days. I know it.
1 hour.
Now we got to we infant.
Yeah.
Una 2 years, 3 months and 6 days. I remember una 49. We have una 48, we are 49. Ne?
Yes.
Yes, when I care. So you are not over this guy.
Yes.
And have you seen him and after you've broken up and
Yes, she
Yes,
says
they're
they
doing
are.
business together. They
No,
work.
I have not seen him, but we talk like on the phone, like on WhatsApp and email.
no wait,
Email.
Because
yes.
they're doing business together, guys, not sleeping together.
Like
Yes.
yeah,
business.
transaction.
Yes.
Okay, you haven't snacked with him after the breakup.
No, I haven't
Exactly.
seen him since December.
Oh, okay, my love. And do you know if he's moved on or not?
I'm not too certain, huh?
Okay. What was the reason for the breakup?
Like I say, it was just abruptly.
A what?
There was no fight. It was abruptly. There was no fight.
Abruptly.
Yeah.
It was
There
abrupt.
was no,
Out of nowhere,
there was no fight
nje.
whatsoever.
Eish, sorry, Anonymous.
Nah.
December
You just said
nogal.
he's not interested in the relationship. I must keep it.
Is this beginning of December, middle of December, or end of December?
29th of December.
See. Anoni.
29.
Yo, guys. You know, who was I telling the other day? Ukuthi, my December, ne? I make sure ukuthi they are whimsical
Yes.
and they have to be unrealistically joyful because December comes once, like any other month, but
Yeah.
December is the one month where I avoid having any tensions and stuff like that because
Yes.
it's a beautiful month. It's you reward yourself and don't. So that is why me now, as a single person, right?
Okay.
I make sure I'm with someone that either I've just met, right, or I haven't seen in a while, and then we rekindle on November month end,
Okay.
so that it becomes joyful. Because anything beyond 2 months with certain people is a long time. We understand. So me, for my heart, because based on experience, I once cried on New Year's Eve. You know,
You were dumped on New Year's Eve?
no, my partner at the time. We're not.
She's bringing back old wounds.
Yes, it's not nice to be sad in December, guys.
Yeah.
It's not nice. But I want to Happy New Year. You pretend to be happy, but you're not happy.
Excuse Anonymous.
It's
And he sent
unforgivable.
me. He was the first one to send me a message on the New Year's Eve to say Happy New Year, all the best for 2020.
Yeah, but after dumping you 3 days prior.
Yes.
And ute Happy New Year, baby, or just Happy New Year?
He said Happy New Year, all the best for 2026. And then I responded. I said Happy New Year to you too. All the best for 2026. Then I followed on the face to try and say, morning, how are you doing?
Yeah,
Then I was blue ticked.
How? But he said all the best. Pella, all the best means I dumped you, but I'm wishing you well. Don't call me. I've chosen somebody
After 5
else.
years naked.
Sorry?
After 5 years.
It happens, Anonymous. You know, there's also something. That message when somebody dumps you on before the beginning of a new year, and they dump you at the end of a year, it speaks volume. It says something, Anonymous. It's not just being dumped. He's ending everything.
New year, new me. Anonymous, hang 10 for us. We're going to go to the news headlines with Khopedi Dilankwe. We're going to come back.
Headlines at 10:30. Suspended EMPD Deputy Chief Julius Mkhwanazi has informed the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry that he has not yet received yesterday's transcripts. And the Section 89 Impeachment Committee is meeting in Parliament today a day after the National Assembly adopted amendments to the rules governing the possible removal of a president from office. Details at 11.
31 minutes after 10 o'clock, Anonymous is on the line. So Anonymous was in a relationship for 5 years until her partner ended things between them abruptly in December last year. This is the 29th of December. Now she's struggling to get over him. They still communicate because of business they work on together. She's not sure if he's moved on yet, and she still has many questions about the breakup. Anonymous, one question here. What is it about this man that's hard to get over?
The time we spent together within that 5 years, the traveling,
Where would
The
you
good
go?
thing.
Where would you guys go?
we traveled to different provinces, enjoy holidays driving together, and more so. He encouraged me to further my studies.
Anonymous, that's nice.
And he was supportive. That is why we went into business together to say, okay, look, this is how we can make an extra cash.
Is the business together now? Is still
Sorry?
together? Is English? Are you still together in business?
Yes, they are.
Yeah, we are, but it's difficult because whenever we try to talk about business, he just snaps. He snaps. And I'll be asking a simple thing. Have you submitted this? Have you submitted this? And then he will give it back to me like,
Ghana, what was the reason why you guys, why did it say you guys are breaking up?
okay, I just asked. I've spent Christmas with my family from the. I'm from another provinces. I'm working in another province. So I decided to go spend. He said to me, "Go spend Christmas with your family, rest of the holidays, and then come back in January." I said, "Okay." Then I came back early, and I told him that I'm back because normally, if I spend Christmas within my province, we'll spend the New Year together. So I asked him, listen, it's about to be New Year. I'm back in my own apartment. Are you coming? Are you going to spend the last lap of the holidays with me or not? And then he said, look, just keep the relationship. I'm not interested. I'm busy here trying to push reports. You are busy talking about stupid relationship. And he's not from SA. He's from another of our neighbors.
Okay. Yo, Anonymous.
We've got 3 neighbors. How many neighbors do we have?
We've got 4.
No, he's from the upper one, you know, where you're from your Jolofina.
Okay.
My friend.
Yeah, and can we please stay away from those kind of statements now, Anonymous?
And now
From the neighboring country.
You made her walk
he's not
into
from
that.
SA. I'm sorry about that. Yeah.
It's okay, sister. Am I the only one who thinks you sound like Mam Kize?
Yes. To the T.
Me?
To
Yes,
the T.
you sound like Mam Kize.
To the T.
Your accent.
Pronunciation.
Are you related?
No, I'm not. I'm from another province.
Okay. Right. So, so you miss the traveling together. Was he a nice guy though?
Yes.
Okay. And now my favorite question, Gawiyazge.
What is it?
How was the
what?
the
I mean, the first guy to take me to heaven and back.
Yeah.
Hamba Satan. Heaven and back, girl. Yo. And then I don't blame you. I don't blame you. And the people would judge you and go, "You 48, you're supposed to be mature enough." No. Inhliziyo ayiphakelwa. The heart does not.
Is he coming back?
Let's call Tez. Let's call Tez. Anonymous. Let me tell you. Honestly speaking, Mina, from my little psychic powers that I have.
Not little.
Yes.
Ne?
Yeah.
There's going to be a moment where he wants to come back. Ne? But I want you to glow up. Do you understand when someone says glow up?
Yes.
Kushukuthi upgrade everything about you, your self-esteem, your self-love, the way you look, and everything else, but don't upgrade for him.
Okay.
No. He's lost a good one. Good. You are a full package, Anonymous. You are a rare breed. Can't tolagala when. Ne?
Yeah.
So I want you to start treating you like that. You can't tolagala. Ube muhle mara for wena. Ne?
Yeah.
Anonymous ngathi angibelieve.
How is she gonna be beautiful for herself? You can tell she's hungry.
No,
That's why.
that's what I'm saying. When you are beautiful for yourself, you are able to attract what is suitable for yourself. You know, you're not gonna start dating out of desperation.
Don't cry, my friend. Don't cry. Okay.
Are you okay? Wait, Anonymous, are you saying to yourself, don't cry?
My friend.
No, I'm telling her don't cry.
Oh, you've got a friend.
Oh,
You are the friend.
You are the friend. But I think she's hearing what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Anonymous, glow up for yourself. You are a beautiful queen. And I said last month, life begins at 50.
Did you say it here?
No, he wasn't here last week.
Last month.
Oh. Yes, he did.
Hangs
Shane.
on Portland, you know,
No, he
Kathleen.
did. He did. He did.
You know
Shane.
what? Life begins at 50, Anonymous.
He did. He
So this is you understand? And look at me now. Nya glow. I'm from where you are from, not the same province, but the same feelings. And there's hope, Anonymous. It's greener on the other side, Thando Sam. Yes.
Yeah.
Go green, Thando Sam. Mara ngiyacela, Anonymous, whatever you do, don't take him back. Because you're gonna take so much time and effort to heal. And you don't want somebody to take you back to square one. Ne?
Yes.
Yes.
But can I ask something?
Yes, my love.
I've never cheated on him.
Yes. Listen.
I've never. Though we're in a long distance relationship, I've never.
Yes, Anonymous.
should
Good
have.
and good on you. No. Good on you, Anonymous. Well done. Konamanjo, you will sleep in peace knowing Guti, you did not allow him to change the person that you are. The good, well-behaved, mannered, moral, high woman. Ne?
Yeah.
You must be proud of yourself, Anonymous.
But so means men don't just dump you because you've cheated.
Yes.
We've got so many reasons why
Lame
we dump
reasons.
people. Sometimes they're not lame. You know, and I have a feeling, you know, from my limited psychic abilities that, you know, Anonymous, this guy is probably in a relationship somewhere.
Yes.
Maybe he impregnated somebody and she said, hey, I'm going to tell your woman of 5 years that I'm pregnant. Otherwise, if you don't leave her, I'm going to tell. And he had no choice. And they gave him until the 29th of December.
What December?
Yes, because she said, yeah, the side woman said, if you don't tell her by 29th of December, I'm going to tell her myself because I want us to start this year afresh, just you, me, and my family. Because it doesn't, you know what I mean? It just doesn't make sense why he would choose to start a new year with you. But I think my version of things could be the one.
I think the guy is a pansexual.
Yes.
Please elaborate.
He did use her.
Yeah,
he used
the
her.
guy is a pansexual, Anonymous. He found a bigger fish to fry. And you actually dodged the bullet, Anonymous.
And it doesn't mean you're a sardine if he found a bigger fish.
No, yes, you could find a shark, and when you are, you could be a sardine because you have got multiple streams of income and stuff. You understand? Nibaningi ama-sardine maningi wena. Then a shark is one. Shark mangawa one. It's like putting.
Can I say something?
Yes, my baby.
2 months before being dumped.
Yes, that is November, October.
No,
October.
Yeah, October-ish,
On a
yeah.
business trip.
You
On a
Sorry?
business trip.
Oh.
Yes. And then I was busy, like, coordinating my other meeting from the other side.
yes.
And then he received a call in the morning at 7. And we are in the same BNB, same bed. And he's like, the other person on the line is asking, who's talking? And he's saying, no, I'm alone.
Yeah, Anonymous.
But
that
I
was a
told you
sign.
guys.
Yeah.
It's,
No, uhambe ne-groove yango December.
you guys
no moon.
forget Ngumswati.
Yes.
So I've
Kusho
got
uthini lokho?
powers, certain things. And Anonymous, please put your friend on the phone.
Good morning, guys. How are you?
Ooh, you
Yeah.
sound
See.
nice. Hi, friend.
You know, my friend's been going through so much. And it's kind of hard to settle her down after a 5-year relationship.
Yeah.
And I keep on telling her this, you know, and this is one thing I keep on telling her. The day that he decides to come back into her life, she's going to be a free-spirited, strong woman, and she's going to be like, why the hell did I spend all these days crying?
Yes.
Mara,
Yes.
when a friend,
Yes.
have you met this guy?
I have met him once, and I did not like his vibe.
Exactly.
Aha.
Now, you had that female intuition said something, right? And then what did you tell Anonymous as this good friend that you are?
It was not just myself, it was my sisters and myself.
Okay, what did
They
you
were
tell
like,
Anonymous?
this guy looks very dodgy. He's just not a person for you. Maybe you guys will click when nobody's around. When there's people around, there's nothing to click about.
So,
But she loves him. She's spent. She's done. She's served, She's been the proper woman.
what is it about him unsettled you?
Can I say this?
You can
Be honest.
Don't swear.
Yes.
You know what? When she tell me don't say it. She'll tell you.
Okay.
You know when it's too good, if you know what I mean.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh, can't she even shared how good it was with you guys?
Ah man, this is my best friend.
Yes.
Okay, hold on, best friend. Did this guy have a wandering eye? Because you mentioned your
He's
sisters,
never
and
had a wandering eye. He's never. He's always been so formal, so straightforward, always look after her, always giving, always making sure she's okay. I don't know what happened. He just pulled the rug out of her feet one single day, and it was gone.
Is your friend strong-willed, or when
She's a very strong-willed person. I think she just wants to get closure,
And
That's about it.
does she have money? Like when other men are looking at her, is she?
Oh, she's very independent. She's got her own place, her own car. She's working. She's earning good.
She wears designer.
She is a independent, strong woman.
Okay.
Anonymous friend, just a quick one.
She's a sangoma.
Yeah?
Hi, bo.
What?
And she's a sangoma.
She's a sangoma.
She's a traditional healer.
Wait. Friend, and Anonymous, can I quickly go pay the bills? Ne? We're coming back.
problem.
We're coming back. So Ask a Man, the Naked DJ, Somizi are here. We've got Anonymous on the line, including her friend. I don't know if you're speaking to Anonymous now or friend. Friend, are you still on the line?
I am here, but you can speak to Linda until you ask me.
Yeah, they're on speaker.
Okay. Anonymous, quick one. Is he younger than you or older?
I'm a bit older than her.
You're a bit older than him.
No, we're asking if your friend is older or younger than the boyfriend.
No, you, Anonymous. Are
Yes.
you older or younger than him?
That's still the friend. Okay?
I'm
No.
younger than him.
It's Anonymous now.
Oh, you are younger than him.
Yes.
So he's in his 50s.
Early 50s.
Yes.
How
Early
you're gonna be dribbled by a senior citizen?
That's
Anonymous.
a seasoned con artist.
So you say he's a con artist?
I think he's a con artist. But I also think Anonymous, when your friend said he pulled the rug underneath, I don't think there was a rug pulled underneath. This rug has been moving. You were refusing to see it for what it is. You dated from a place of desperation, Anonymous, thinking Guti, there's a biological clock, and which a lot of women put themselves under that pressure where they settle for toxic, abusive relationships because they feel good they are 48. No one is going to want them after. I'll give you an example, of course, of what happened. I saw something, Kuto.
Yes.
I saw something on socials
Okay.
where Kanye, you are listening to me, Anonymous.
Yes,
I want you to understand this point that I'm making. Kanye made a comment about Kim saying, Guti, is Lewis Hamilton crazy going for a woman that has 4 kids? And I hate that statement because I hate it when people put an expiry date, especially on women, just because of the number of kids that they have. And here is Lewis Hamilton seeing Kim for the beautiful woman that she is. Beautiful, smart, intelligent, successful, and so forth and so on.
Yeah.
Right? Now, if Kim Labantwana 4 has a man that loves her, that must inspire you, not that part, that aspect. There's someone who loves her for who she is. With 4 kids. How many kids do you have, when?
I've got 2.
You see, you've got
Third
2.
one passed on.
What?
Sorry, Anonymous.
Sorry.
Oh,
Third one passed on.
sorry about
Sorry,
that, my baby.
Anonymous.
So don't put an expiry date on yourself, Anonymous. Please. You're a beautiful woman. Cancel this man. Delete this man. You'll find love when it finds you. Don't run for it. Work on yourself. You are a beautiful woman. Ne?
Yeah, thanks, man. Because I was even like losing interest of going to work.
No, you see, you are affecting your future right now. And also, cancel the business. Whatever business you're doing with him, cut it. Ne?
Yeah. Yeah, because his friends have been saying that just finish this last project and then just cut it off.
Yeah, cut it off, my baby. You've got nice friends that support you.
But what could have gone wrong?
What?
What could have gone wrong?
He went wrong, not you. He went wrong. Don't blame yourself.
Yeah, and what she doesn't understand, Somizi, you've been saying this guy's a con artist. Nothing went wrong. From the get-go, Anonymous, he was just using you. Okay? Your friends told you and warned you that he was using you, and you didn't listen. That's the only thing that went wrong. You didn't listen to your friends. Just keep on saying it to yourself. Maybe just repeat it. He's a con artist.
But he was using me how? Because he never took anything from me besides my intellectual property.
That's something.
Stealing.
Yes, that's
Anonymous.
stealing.
That's stealing.
Yeah. Con artist. And I hope you used protection. I hope he was a condom artist, at least there. Yeah, bo? So, Anonymous, you did absolutely nothing wrong.
So since December, you haven't had any play.
Yeah, just to get under somebody.
No,
No.
guys,
No,
she's in love
I
with
can't.
him.
You can't.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
To get
I'm
over
serious.
someone,
You
you
get
need to get
under.
under someone.
No, not all the time. Not all the time.
Ayiwe
Guys.
na.
Not all the time.
I'm a plus
That
50.
means I did not get under, I did not get on top.
Yes, and people don't understand. At our age,
You can't do on top.
no.
Oh, sorry.
At our age, the moisturization goes with your emotions. If you are tense, the tap does not moisturize.
Eish, Somizi.
If are dry,
Yeah.
but you can drink it.
Because, you know, I
Oh,
was like,
Lord.
for 5 years, I'm like looking for someone to settle down with, travel the world with, age with, eat jam and bread with, and take this walk.
Eat Jim
Oh, I thought
It's
you said in
them.
German.
It's them.
focus,
So-
guys.
Have you traveled overseas, Anonymous?
Of course.
She sounds like it.
Have you traveled overseas?
Not yet.
Yes.
Ah.
You see?
You
Let
said
me-
I must sort out my passport.
Anonymous,
Please
man.
come to me.
Forget about this
the
guy.
passport is ready.
The
Anonymous.
passport is ready and he
Yes.
dumped
You
you.
see? Anonymous, please do me a favor. Stop it. Okay?
Mm.
Now it's your turn. Do solo dates. Did you see me going solo dates for 3 weeks? Do solo dates. Have dinner by yourself. There will be a gentleman looking at you over there. And when he comes to you and says, Bonjour, parlez-vous français? Utini wena?
I don't know.
I tried, yes.
No, but I like
travel
that.
alone.
So,
I'm a quick learner.
Yes.
yeah.
Travel alone.
Yeah.
Ne?
Okay.
I'm traveling alone. I go watch rugby games alone.
Yes, girl. That's my girl. That's my baby. Now go overseas.
Go to the World Cup.
Go to the World Cup
Formula
next year.
One.
Yeah.
Just mention
Asqale
the Grand Prix.
Yes.
Angayi kule Formula 1 le.
You got
Anonymous?
me, naked. You got me.
Pamper yourself. You are a queen. Look after yourself. We love
Yes.
Aww.
you. Ne, baby.
Yes, thank you. I love you too, guys.
Okay, my baby. You're going to be right.
He's
Akiri.
listening because I introduced him to Askaman.
Who's listening? The guy.
He's listening because she
Yeah.
introduced him to
That's
us.
fine. Anonymous. But block him. Ne?
On the phone.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
And if he is listening, can he please call us tomorrow and share his side of the story?
Yes.
Yeah. Because you introduced him, I get. Yeah, we wanna hear. We wanna hear his side of the story.
I hate what somebody said about how to heal a broken heart, but 5 years is not easy.
I know. But it starts today. The journey starts today. You will never heal unless you start, my baby.
Okay.
Ne?
Yeah. Your friends have got you. You've got this. You've got it under control. Anonymous's best friend.
Yes.
Thank you so much. You've got her now for the rest of the day.
I've got it forever.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Asifale.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye,
Yebo.
guys.
Bye.
We love you, Anonymous. You're
And
incredible.
lastly, you may never know. Anonymous.
I'm a 50-year-old.
Anonymous. Maybe your friend is your soulmate.
So means.
That's funny.
Try your friend. You never know. When times are tough, that's what friends are for. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Love you, Anonymous. Try asking the bones also. It's Techno, Bana, Metro FM. It's where you want to be. Come through with your voice notes. What advice do you have for Anonymous? 060-552-7303. Let's take a listen.
Oh, guys, Anonymous is trauma bonded. Anonymous is going to take her time to get over the guy because she keeps asking and asking when all the answers are there. I so wish she can just detach and love the guy and move on because nothing good will come out of that relationship. Oh, man, I feel sorry for her. She must be strong.
Good morning, Metro FM family.
Morning.
Oh, Anonymous. So there is still honest women like this one out there. Yeah. Hey, she's so adorable. You know, I'm not saying she's perfect, but hey, she seems like she's a good woman.
Yeah.
I just hope she find a good guy. Like, yo. And hey, this life, I can trouble you, I'm telling you.
Bruh.
Thanks. Good show as always.
Thank you. All right, gentlemen, let's leave it there. What do you have to say?
Let's leave it there, Sherman. Sorry. Ooh, Batung. So, I had an experience about 2-3 days ago.
Ooh, there we go.
Right? I spoke to an ex of mine who were in good terms.
Okay.
Right? We broke up in 2006. And we very good speaking. We've been friends, and he's helped me so much in my life, like tremendously, right? So yesterday, I found out that he bought a new house in the most affluent. He's a CEO owner of some ratata, and I found out through a real estate agency that I asked to sell something for me, and then he told me. Then I commented, you don't say when you got a new house. He says, who told you? Because I never told anyone. He says, oh, I know who told you, blah, blah, blah. But we ended up laughing and I said, okay, can I take you out for dinner to celebrate your new house? He's in a relationship, right? But I haven't met the partner, right? So my question was that I would understand if the partner is uncomfortable, but at the same time, if the partner is open to know where we come from in terms of what he has been and who he has been in my life. And that's a story for another day. Kutso, on your thing is talk about how far is too far for your partner to be friends with his ex or her ex. And nothing has happened since 2006.
My firstborn was born in 2006. And he's 20. So this is your ex of 20 years ago.
But we've always been close. He's always been there.
That's
when I needed him
amazing.
Financially, when I needed him emotionally and health-wise and otherwise.
Can I ask, does the person know that you, Somizi, were his
Yes,
ex?
yes,
Okay.
they do. So yeah, that's a question for another day.
I like that.
It's a beautiful question, right?
Yes,
It is.
indeed it is.
It is.
Self-care corner tomorrow.
Yes.
I hate you guys.
Soft care corner.